Anime fans, buckle up, because this week has been packed with huge announcements, emotional news, and some wild surprises. From tasty new adaptations to long-awaited sequels and even some shocking casting news, here are all the trending anime updates you need to know from the past 7 days. News number 1. The Food Diary of Miss Maid. A manga about food and maids is finally hitting our screens. The Food Diary of Miss Maid by Susumu Maya is officially getting a TV anime in 2026. The story follows Maid in training Suzume, who gets stuck in Japan for a year, and what does she do? She eats her way through Japanese snacks. From takoyaki to melon bread, this anime is literally going to make us all hungry. The trailer is out now, and honestly, it looks delicious. News number 2. My Friend's Little Sister Has It In For Me. Rom-com fans, mark your calendars, My Friend's Little Sister Has It In For Me finally dropped a brand new trailer and key visual, confirming its October 4th premiere. The story follows Akitaru, who's constantly bullied by his best friend's sister Iroha. But when he's suddenly forced to pretend to be his uncle's daughter's boyfriend, things get complicated real fast. Teasing, drama, fake dating, it's got all the chaotic rom-com energy we love. News number 3. SANDA by Science SARU. Science SARU is back with something crazy, SANDA. This isn't your typical anime, it's described as a Santa Claus action story. Yeah, you heard that right. In a dystopian Japan where kids outrank adults and Santa is sealed away by a curse, the protagonist discovers his shocking connection to the mythical Santa Claus. The visuals look wild. This could be one of the most unique shows in years. News number 4. Tales of Wedding Rings Season 2. Tales of Wedding Rings is officially back with Season 2, premiering October 4th. If you remember Season 1, it had one of the wildest starts. Dude literally crashes a wedding, gets kissed, and boom, he's destined to be the ring king who saves the world. Season 1 ended on a high note, and honestly, I can't wait to see where this fantasy romance goes next. News number 5. Voice actor Takaya Hashi passes away. Some sad news this week. Veteran voice actor Takaya Hashi has passed away from a heart attack at 72. His legendary career spanned decades, with unforgettable roles like Kakuzu in Naruto, Dogstorm in One Piece, Toki in Fist of the North Star, and even Donovan Desmond in Spy X Family. A true icon in the anime industry, rest in peace, Hashi-san. You'll never be forgotten. News number 6. Plus-sized Misadventures in Love. Next up, a wild romantic comedy with a twist, Plus-sized Misadventures in Love is premiering October 6th. It follows Yumeko, a girl full of insecurities, who gets into a terrible accident and wakes up completely transformed. Now she's cute, confident, and ready to take on love, friendship, and even an attempted murder case. Yeah, this one's going to be a roller coaster. News number 7. May I ask for one final thing? Villainous anime fans, this one's for you. May I ask for one final thing? Premieres October 3rd, and the trailer just dropped. Scarlet gets dumped by her fiancé at a ball, falsely accused, and branded as a villainess. But instead of crying about it, she punches him square in the face and starts her journey of revenge. Elegant, badass, and fiery, I'm so here for it. News number 8. Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2. Everyone's favorite cooking isekai is back. Campfire Cooking in Another World Season 2 drops on October 7th. Once again, Mukoda is whipping up modern dishes in a fantasy world with his online grocery skill, and let's be real, this anime always makes us hungry. If you loved Season 1, get ready for more wholesome cooking and monster slaying fun. News number 9. Solo Leveling Live Action Casting. Netflix's Solo Leveling live-action adaptation just landed a major star. Han So-hee has officially joined the cast as Cha Hae-in, Korea's S-rank hunter. She'll be starring alongside Byun Woo-sok as Sung Jinwoo. Han So-hee's known for her badass roles in My Name and Gyeongsung Creature, so fans are hyped to see her take on this fan-favorite character. News number 10. Spy X Family Season 3. Operation Strix continues. Spy X Family Season 3 is officially confirmed for October 4th, and the main visual is out now. Wit Studio and Cloverworks are back, which means more wholesome chaos from Lloyd, Yor, and Anya. Season 3 hype is real. News number 11. Fire Force Season 3. Fire Force fans, good news, Season 3's second cour is officially coming January 2026. A brand new visual dropped during Crunchyroll's Anime NYC panel, and it looks fire. The hype is building, and this next cour is expected to push the story into its biggest battles yet. News number 12. Room of Guilty Pleasure. And finally, for those who like their anime a little more spicy, Room of Guilty Pleasure aka Guilty Hole is getting an anime adaptation. It premieres October 5th on TV, but the uncensored version will stream earlier on September 12th. The plot. A teacher caught in a forbidden selection game with his students. Yeah, this one is going to be controversial, but also trending for sure. And that wraps up this week's biggest anime news. Which of these announcements are you most excited for? Personally, I'm hyped for Tales of Wedding Rings Season 2 and the solo leveling casting news. Let me know your favorites in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more weekly anime updates.